won in 1989 for which Australian actor and singer?
Jason Donovan.
It was Jason, 3 points. What night of the week did Wakefield sing about on? What's so great about today then?
Well, I'm flying off to Spain with 6 of my friends for a girly weekend, so Friday to Monday in Murcia. So yeah, a couple of hours I'll be heading off to the airport.
Oh, just where did you say you're going, just so I can avoid it? That sounds if it's going to be a bit of a, it's going to be a tough weekend.
Oh yeah, we struggle on, yeah.
Are you celebrating anything special?
Being in the customs union, we traded with other EU countries on a sort of preferential basis to be like. In fact, we didn't have tariffs, is that right? So are we trying to get out and still trade without any tariffs?
Yes. 2019 date, we are back to the December 2020 date because of that transition agreement that's in place. If that all goes ahead, it means that you can have your card, rely on your card up until December 2020. As well as we keep talking about